Number 14. The problem of the story is solved when. So here they're asking us for the resolution. F. When fall came, the town council decided to spruce up the courthouse tower by giving it a new coat of paint. We know that did not happen at the end of the story. That is when the problem was arising. So that is our rising action. G. So F is not the answer. G. A few townspeople gave their opinions, all agreeing with Mr. Tucker's views of the problem. That is after the problem, so this is our falling action. So G cannot be the answer. H. My friends and I decided to go to the next town meeting. That happened before the problem arose, so that is our rising action. H is not the answer. J. A vote was taken and every single council member voted that the tree should be removed and replanted. That is our problem. That is what the children was trying to solve. So our answer here is J.